Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And for those who are new here, I want to humbly welcome you. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and show love. Today is Monday. Ani odda disata kabar zalo maka atugrazilo vlog must shoot kori mudle. I think this time I will do like a full week's vlog. And Bajo brought some flowers, although he wasn't feeling good. एक गोट पिता ने होते एक गोट पिता. So you will see a lot of like just like glimpses into my weekend, not weekend, sorry, weekend into my week. Yeah, so you will see glimpses into my week from Monday to Friday, and I'm gonna upload this on Friday. I have some unboxing to do, so I will show you guys what I bought. So there was a parcel which arrived today, which I was waiting for. The krautal te parcela kita baby chten John. So there the pumpkin and flaxseed chutney powder. So this is for baby. So hapara arlai. So akke de hapara chen John sogle ani kudo millet and walnut porridge korba deka, which is sokai che bano deka porridge ba korpa ashkon easy potta ita sokai uton ba first itun fruits ba galon nun deka ondita. So and very nutritious as well. Yeah, this is really nice. This is not any paid promotion ba kai then my gear gasir besti dood galon anila uda galon koru jata ni fruit mix korpa jata ani it's really nice, like no preservative, no artificial flavors, no added refined sugar, no milk and no salt. So I know baby no sugar and no salt are dolla, so I person terne sugar and salt haunku na ite khenna galonku na teja jauna azunoi ani mage teka millet cookies arle. You millet cookies like this snacks aba halfa. Your first time they order kale like jaggery cookies with your jowar and almond galon. Fine protein which has got no maida, refined sugar or no additives. So it's really nice. Dry fruits, basogli hatitun. Dry fruits, jaggery, magi barley, red rice, ghee, turmeric and nothing else. These two, so I don't arle kita ye hatte antek bere lagta hai to, and it's really nice. It has got like that very nice nutty flavor because titun no walnut and walnut is really good for like brain development and all that. Ajra and pumpkin seeds porridge. I got dry fruits and seeds powder. Oh maka bora potta kita kenna teja ashkurun rava or beshi kita kotta no like titun galpa. Just put it in like a milk sometimes. Thing I got is wheat almond ani dates. So ye porridge mix. If you want like details like how I ordered this and all that, send me a message on my Instagram armak message dadai nazale comment korai amai tumka. I'll get in touch and I'll let you know like how I ordered this and the name of the brand. Thank you. Marinated and kept for frying. I already fry korpa dolla ani ye marinate korpa doro jaye e chorcha green kottole ani tulne not beju eka hapara fi kadan doro jaye 1 2 3 jasaran bhaji dalli mix.
So we had squids for lunch. These are my favorite. I prepared them with stuffed rechado masala. Mamaचा phone set up करून दिलो in the afternoon. So तेनी phone गेलो no last video nan दाखवलेले. आणि इंगा कृष्ण येले तेजे कामार सून डायरेक्ट आमची तिंगे येले ते.
मी भायर सोदताय कृष्णाल थिंग वचपाक जुसलाचो बर्थडे माझ्या मामान दडान तेंची एनिवर्सरी सो आमी बेश्टी वयताय थिंगा प्रिपॅरेशन बा करपाक विकान न्हू अशें करून कांय जायना सो बेश्टें लायक इट्स नॉट लायक यू नो वेरी हॅपनिंग ऑर एनीथिंग सो इट्स जस्ट लायक ग्लिम्पसेस आय एम गोना शो यू व्हाट इज हॅपनिंग इन माय वीक सो या टुडे वाज डे ऑफ ट्यूसडे आमी लेट उठली नायस आणि राल्लें जेवण बिवून सगळी रेडी जाली आणि आता तेंची थिंग वयताय हाय यूट्यूब फॅमिली हाय पीपल आणि हापर आता उठला न्हिदोन स्लीपी केलेलो तेणे बट आय डिडंट डू माय हेयर or anything I'm just like you know बेजार येता शी हात म्हाका सो केन्नाय न्हू हांव अशें करून बरें म्हाका अशें मूड आसता न्हेसपाक केन्नाय म्हाका बेजार येता सो समटायम्स आय जस्ट लूक लायक होमलेस केन्नाय हांव तुमकां दिश्टी पडोत हांव बरें सारकें न्हेसोन आनी केन्नाय कितेंय घालून सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन माय मूड टू बी ऑनेस्ट So we are going now to Krishna's place and I'll show you there. I'll keep you guys. I'll take you guys as well. No, thought wow. Dancing. Looks like we are staying at Krishna's place. This is Pearl, so he has got a YouTube account.
And it's Pearl. आम्ही daily vlog घालता. Daily vlog घालना, normal vlog घालता. Like, share, subscribe करा.
My sister's husband, and this is Krishna. She's camera shy, and Harper. Happy. This is it for today. We didn't do anything much. Suddenly plans along येवपाचो. आनीक तुला कितले वर्स जाताय रे हाल्या?
52.
25. बेजे बरो नाहलो एन्सानी. मातशी फ्लू जाले. Dessert. कितले रे?
Rum balls.
So that's the mixture there, and then poured off rum balls.
अजून उरले कोट करपाला
Chocolate coating only like that is for tomorrow because that's तो आपला बर्थडे आपण गुत्ता
टाळवने करोडपती होता
ए हा चोका कसो
कोण बोलतो
Amazon directly garele anik tospa zaye teach tinga haparats baroba or bazaw dinga so I was meant to get cake but then Bejo was like apun osone to palala was like okay fine I'll see you at Christmas place.
बिर्याणी
Today is Thursday, so it's Thursday. हांव पळय आतां कामां वयता बेडरूमाक पावयता कामाक आनी आमी क्रिस्माल थिंगा आहा न्ही बरें एन्जॉय केलें थिंगा राती आनी आमी मागीर थिंगा रावलीं. So for those of you who don't know, I upload so कोणा खबर ना तेंकां हांव फ्रायडेचे अपलोड करता व्लॉग्स इतली कंटेंट कांय ना. Something is happening then I upload like like 2 times a week or so, but if there's nothing happening then it's just like Friday is my day. So guys, thank you for showing so much love to my previous video. So there's like so many comments. I will reply to each and every comment, so it's not like I just read them and leave them like that. I will reply to every comment. I am trying to be very, very consistent in my vlogs like this year, because last year I started and I just left it. I wasn't very confident in doing, but this year it looks a bit different. At the moment I am keeping that consistency, so this year I will post as much as I can. Also guys, I think like I am glowing with this foundation. So basically हांव क्रिस्मागेर हालीं म्हणून हांवें क्रिस्मा फावंडेशन लायलो आनीक तेज फावंडेशन सारको बरो सारकें स्मूथ कशें जाल्या स्कीन.
आतां फावंडेशन चोरी वयतलो.
आतां फावंडेशन म्हाका हाडपा जावं सेम तसलोच, सो तेज बरो आहा हो पळय म्हाका सारको म्हाज्या स्किनी मॅच जाता. And I look like a bit different. I'm glowing today. So I think the concealer is NARS and the name of the foundation is Bobbi Brown. But it's really nice, like my skin very soft kushti now. Good morning guys. So today's Friday and happy Valentine's Day. And आमी अजून क्रिस्माल थिंगा हाय आनी क्रिस्मा आनी पर्ल वो ब्रेकफास्ट करताय. तेंका एक सरप्राइज दिलो अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग.
सरप्राइज बोला तुका करो पण शेफ.
Working guys, working. See you later. We bought this dehumidifier. Just gonna unbox it and show you guys like what it is. I bought this mainly because of Harper. I order केलेलो या ब्रँडाचो. पयरू कितें येयला दिसता म्हाका आनी आमी थिंगा हाली न्हू क्रिस्माल थिंगा, सो हांवें मागीर आयज मातसो अनबॉक्स केलो. आनीक it's really good, like it has got many functions. Actually तुमगेर भुरगीं बा हाय जाल्यार न्हू dehumidifier आहल्यार बरी कशें कित्याक moisture, dust or allergens अशें करून न्हू absorb करता तो. And it's really nice for health as well. So I thought like we need to buy this. It's a bit expensive, but it's worth it.
And for the Valentine Day, Bejun Maka surprise dilo. And this is me opening the gift, and there was like flowers, heart-shaped balloons, and prosecco and card. It was lovely. It was nice to see all this, like getting pampered by your husband. He is the sweetest. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, share kindness and let love guide you. Bye bye.